In this video, I will show you how to increase the signal strength of a router using another intermediate router. This is useful when you have placed a router in a different room. Here you can see that my router's signal strength is quite low. So I have used another one router to extend this range. So TP-Link 1BF4 is the SSID of this router. Suppose if your router is configured for some other purpose, or if it comes with a predefined configuration, then please hold this button for 10 seconds and make sure that the configuration is completely erased. Okay, so then you connect to this SSID. It will ask you to enter the password. See, the thing is, in old routers there won't be any passwords. For new routers, in the old routers, the password is open, so you don't have to enter any passwords. In the new routers, those routers comes with a password. You can see the password pin. This will change, depends on your router. Okay, once this connection is established, just open your browser. Now you need to know the IP address of your your router. So how you can find out the IP address of your router? Just open command prompt cmd, enter ipconfig. Here you can see that your wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi, the gateway address is 192.168.0.1. so your router IP address is this. Copy this. Now what is the username and password? You can see that username and password, you can see username and password in the backside of your router. In my case it is admin and admin. Just enter that. See, most cases it is either 192.168.0.1 or 1.1 or 2.1. so these two digits varies. Okay, now we'll do it. Just click next. Now there are multiple options. This access point is used where you have this access point, as well as this wireless router option is used where you have physical wireless wired connections. So when you make a wired connections with your modem and Wi-Fi router, then you go for access point method or wireless router method. In our case, it is wireless communication. So it is choose this range extender option. Click next. Now it will try to find the SSIDs. Just do refresh to make sure that all the SSIDs are listed here. Do it once again. If it is not appearing here, then you kept your router in a place where it can't receive the signal. So move your router a bit closer to the modem. So here it is listed. Let me try to connect to that. Make sure that you have sufficient signal strength. 50 is good, 60 is good, 70 is much better, 80 is great. So once it is done, You enter your modem password. Please remember that this password is your uh, router password, this extender router password. So your modem and extender router will have the same password. Now you enter your password, choose customize and give any name and click next. Here the IP address is 0.1. You can change this IP address if you want. In that case, you have to choose static IP and change the extension. Generally, modem comes with an IP address of 168.1.1. So the extender will have 0.1. One more extender will have, if you want to connect one more extender, you can make it 2.1. So this third digit has to be changed. When you add one more router, this digit has to be changed. Keep that in mind. Okay, I have selected smart IP and enable DHCP server. By default it is enabled. Give next. Now once it is done, you give finish. Many people actually complain that why the Wi-Fi range is very less. It is less because some routers have sensitivity issues. They can't receive a good signal, so that is a router issue. Another one issue is FCC norms. So all routers operate at 2.4 gigahertz. Of course, the new ones operates at 5 gigahertz. So this 2.4 gigahertz band is actually ISM band. So anybody can use this band. It is free to use. No licensing is required. So there are rules and regulations to use this band. So the ISPs, so the router companies have to follow those rules and regulations. So they can't just power up their device. They can't do that. It's not possible for them. It should comply with FCC norms. So that's the reason the signal strength is low.